Hi all, my name is Amit Barnwal and I am a solutions architect here at ThoughtSpot. Today we are going to check dynamic parameters and how it can help you to adjust the data visuals in the minimum number of reports to instantly tell your story. For now, I am going to show you one report where I am having all the different attributes, all the different measures, creating multiple charts as you can see right now. Here I am checking annual income as a measure across account type, city and gender, and same I am also checking another measure, that is transaction amount by account type, city and gender. You see there are these data points have different values, but what you will notice is I am only checking one report at a particular point of time, and this one is taking a lot of space. Is there a way that we can have all of these in the limited space and also give the custom approach for the users to change this as needed? To answer, yes, this is. And that is where the dynamic parameters comes into play. Apart from what you saw, now I am only adding two different parameters here on top. One I have for the measure, other I have for the attribute. Right now you see the total annual income across account type, but if you want, you can change the attribute to a different value. And just like that, now your title has changed, your total annual income can be seen through city. Not just that, you can also change this for a different measure. Instead of annual income, I want to see by transaction amount. And if you see, the values are also changing. And this is how you can use parameters dynamically to show a lot of more information in a smaller number of charts. How did I do that? Let me go and edit the answer to show you. On this edit chart, I have two different axes where I am bringing the parameters that I want to leverage instead of respective columns. For attribute, I am using a parameter at attribute, and for measures, I'm using a parameter at measure. Same for the title, instead of giving the names, I am using the parameters as well. Now, let me go to the data model and show you how this all works together. I have the data model here. I am editing the data model to see what parameter I have created. First, going to the attribute, I have created three different attributes, just a value that I wanted to put, and I want to change my attributes accordingly. And I have created another parameter for measure where I am checking annual income and transaction amount. Once that is done, I have now come to the formulas and create formulas so that when things are getting selected, I can have these attributes like this parameter. If it is account type, I am selecting one column. If this parameter is city, then I am selecting another column. And just like this, we can put these values into the search window. That means instead of putting those exact columns, I will just put a form underscore attribute and form underscore measure on my answer. Let me go back to this dynamic parameter liveboard, and you see that instead of its respective columns, I am now selecting my parameters, one for the measure and one for the attribute. And this is how you can create your story with minimal number of you by the help of dynamic parameter. That's it for now. Thank you.